In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Figma prototype to Wix. This is a simple process that lets you embed a working Figma prototype directly into your Wix site, so visitors can interact with it without leaving the page. First, open your Figma prototype. Make sure you are in the exact file and view that you want to embed. If your prototype has multiple frames or flows, take a moment to confirm you are looking at the correct one, because the embed will use what you are sharing from that prototype view. Next, click Share. The Share area is where Figma provides different ways to distribute your design and prototype. You should see options for embedding or generating link or code. This is the key step that leads you to the exact embed snippet you will place into Wix. Then, click Get Embed Code. This tells Figma you want the code needed to display your prototype on an external site. Depending on your Figma settings, you may see a preview of what the embedded content will look like. Take a moment to ensure the prototype preview looks right, since this is what Wix will eventually render. Now you will switch over to Wix Studio Editor. Open your Wix Studio project in the browser or app, and go to the page where you want the Figma prototype to appear. Choosing the correct page first helps you avoid moving things around later. After that, click the plus icon. In Wix Studio, the plus icon is how you add new elements to your page. Look for the area where content blocks or elements can be added. Then click the plus icon to open the selection panel. Next, click Embed and Social. This category groups tools that let you connect external content, including embeds like videos, widgets, and in this case, your Figma prototype. You are telling Wix that you want to place an embed code onto the page. Then click Embed Code. This option is specifically designed for pasting custom embed snippets. It is the pathway you need because Figma provides an HTML snippet that Wix can render. After you click Embed HTML, you will see a space where Wix expects code input. At this stage, you are ready to paste the Figma embed snippet so Wix can display your prototype. Next, click Enter Code. This activates the code field, so your embed HTML can be entered exactly as Figma generated it. Make sure you are focusing on the code input box now. Now paste the Figma embed code. This is the most important copy and paste moment. Be careful to paste the entire snippet, not just part of it, because missing characters can prevent the embed from working. Once you paste, take a brief second to confirm the code appears in the field properly. Then click Apply. Applying is what saves the embed settings and updates the page with the embedded prototype. After you apply, you should see the Figma prototype area appear on your Wix page. If your design does not load immediately, wait a moment for Wix to render the content. Finally, review the result on the page. Check that the embed is positioned where you want it, and that the prototype loads as expected. If you need to adjust sizing, you can typically resize or reposition the embed element within Wix. But the key point is that the prototype should be visible and interactive. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.